We can't. The branch manager's not here.
Where is he?
It's lunchtime. He's at White Castle.
White Castle.
It's a fast food restaurant. They serve those little square burgers.
I know what it is.
I'm not playing games. Open it.
Sir, you had $500,000 cash in your bag. Don't you think it would be better?
This is the police. You are completely surrounded. Put down your weapon. Put down your weapons now.
Rarely in the case of armed robbery do we hear a plea of no contest. Are you sure about this, Mr. Schofield?
I'm sure, Your Honor.
Your Honor,